After weeks of intense speculation about the health of Kim Jong-un, state news agency KCNA said on Saturday the North Korean leader attended the completion of a fertilizers plant north of Pyongyang, the first report of his appearance since April 11. Reporters could not independently verify the KCNA report. KCNA said Kim cut a ribbon at a ceremony of Friday and those attending the event burst into thunderous cheers of hooray for the supreme leader. Kim was seen in photographs smiling and talking to aides at the ribbon cutting ceremony and also turning the plant. The authenticity of the photos published on the website of the official Rodong Sinmun newspaper could not be verified. Many in the large crowd of people described the officials of the army, the ruling party and the committee who worked on the project were wearing face masks and standing some distance from the podium where Kim and his aides took part in the ceremony. North Korea has not reported any cases of the coronavirus and said it has been taking those measures to prevent an outbreak. One reason for Kim's absence has been the suggestion he may have been taking precaution against coronavirus. Kim was accompanied by senior North Korean officials, including his younger sister Kim Yo-jong and top aides Vice Chairman Park Pong-joo of the State Africans Commission and Cabinet Premier Kim Ja-ryong, the KCNA said. Asked about the KCNA report of Kim, US President Donald Trump said, "I would rather not comment on it yet. We will have something to say about it at the appropriate time," he told reporters at the White House. Speculation about Kim's health has been rife after he missed the birth anniversary celebration of state founder Kim Il-sung on April 15. The day is a major holiday in North Korea and Kim as leader usually pays a visit to the mausoleum where his grandfather lies in state. He last made a public appearance on April 11 attending a meeting of the ruling Workers' Party Politburo. Following his absence from the anniversary, a South Korean news outlet specializing on the North reported that Kim was recovering after undergoing a cardiovascular procedure. A flurry of other unconfirmed reports about his condition and his whereabouts followed. Officials in South Korea and the United States expressed skepticism about the reports. The city of Suncheon, where the fertilizer factory was built, is about 15 kilometers north of Pyongyang in the western region. Army from Osan's, the eastern coastal report where South Korea and US officials have said Kim may have been standing. Satellite image showed a train usually used by Kim near the Onsan resort, as well as boats often used by Kim and his entourage suggested he may be staying there. Officials in South Korea and the United States have said Kim may be there to avoid exposing the coronavirus and the skepticism about the media reports that he had some kind of serious illness. The former top US diplomat for East Asia, Daniel Russell, said the piece of puzzle of Kim's disappearance would take time to assemble. His reappearance showed that authoritative information about the well-being and whereabouts of a North Korean leader were very closely guarded, and rumors about him needed to be regarded with considerable skepticism, Russell said. The rumor had, however, several of focused attention on North Korea's succession plan, which in a monarchical and cult-like dictatorship is filled with risk and the absence of a designated assassinated Adal their compound that reached metime over, Russell said earlier. A source familiar with U.S. intelligence analysis and reporting said that U.S. agency believed that Kim Jong-un was not ill and remained very much in power. We think he will still in charge, the source said, on condition of anonymity. The source could not immediately confirmed by KCNA report. The State Department did not immediately respond to requests for comment. South Korean Unification Minister Kim Yo-chul, who oversees engagement with Pyongyang, said it was plausible Kim was absent as a precaution over the coronavirus pandemic in a view of treatment steps taken to head off an outbreak in the country. Harry Kajianis, senior dictator of Korean Studies at the Center for the National Interest, think that in senior dictator of Korean Studies at the Center for the National Interest think that in Washington said in a view of treatment steps taken to head off an outbreak in the country. Harry Kajianis, a senior dictator of Korean Studies at the Center for the National Interest, think that in Washington said this still could be the case. The most likely explanation for Kim's absence is with North Korea declaring the coronavirus pandemic an existential threat. He most likely was taking steps to ensure his health or may have been impacted in some way personally by the virus, Kajianis said after the KCNA report. Kim's reported appearance at a fertilizer plant in the latest signal to domestic audience that he is watching out for the economic and food well-being. But nuclear analysis believe it is likely a part of North Korean uranium enrichment effort. There is strong evidence of the Sancheon phosphate fertilizer plants involving in uranium extraction pointing to its dual use. A recent report by James Martin Center for Non-Proliferation Studies in Monterey, California. Negotiations aimed at dismounting North Korea nuclear and missile programs started late in 2019.